Welcome to our video about Varanasi weather. Varanasi is a fascinating city in the northern Indian state of Uttar Pradesh, known for its lively ghats, old temples, and rich cultural history. In this video, we will give you an overview of Varanasi's 3 distinct seasons and how they can affect your trip plans and experiences. Varanasi has 3 distinct seasons: summer, monsoon, and winter. The summer season lasts from March to June, with temperatures between 32 degrees Celsius and 45 degrees Celsius. The monsoon season, from July to September, brings much needed relief from the summer's heat, but also heavy rain and sporadic flooding. The winter season, from October to February, has temperatures ranging from 5 to 15 degrees Celsius and is ideal for sightseeing and city exploration. No matter what season you visit Varanasi, there are plenty of weather-related activities to enjoy. Boat trips on the Ganges are a must-do for everyone visiting Varanasi, and walking tours are a great way to explore the city's history and culture. To cope with Varanasi's climate, it's important to drink plenty of water, dress appropriately for the season, wear sunscreen, and be prepared for the rain. It's also best to plan your trip and make necessary preparations ahead of time. Varanasi is a city rich in culture and heritage, and its climate significantly influences how visitors experience the city. Whether you visit during the sweltering summer or the chilly winter, Varanasi has something to offer everyone. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in planning your trip to Varanasi. Thank you for watching.
Embark on a pilgrimage of a lifetime